This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Kathy Sherman. Comfortable 1,500 square feet. Home with 2 lots. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, garage west/workbench and additional space west/deep sink and storage. Split floor plan, primary suite on one side, guest rooms and bath on the other. Half vault ceiling in living room and gas fireplace. Eat-in kitchen plus dining room. All this plus a wonderful approximate 12x20 screened sunroom with windows that can be added for longer use during the year. Beautiful level lots. Note that all dimensions shown are approximate. Agent remarks. For more information, review the details below or contact Kathy Sherman at 501-922-8277.